Now there will be a deadly, dangerous experiment with anti-gravity. Friends, being here on Earth, I can jump a maximum of half a meter. But if I go to the Moon, Mars, or Venus, I can jump much more fun. There is no hitchhiking to these planets, so today we will try to change gravity here on Earth using a homemade anti-gravity installation. In order to avoid flying into space at all, I will use these protective belts. But for some reason it seems to me that security is bad in India. Holy moly! Look at this semblance of a torture apparatus. Looks like something medieval. Why take it so far?
To the place of execution?
Yes. Just look. Damn, I don't know, this looks scary, very much.
Strange design, but if it works, it will be really cool. It will be possible to collect such things everywhere, all over the world, and sell them for big money.
And teleport in time, right?
Yes, we won't need Mars. In this special plane, I don't remember what it's called.
In short, they do something to achieve weightlessness. Is it really possible to achieve this with the help of such a torture apparatus? Goat.
This is a bad sign.
Really? Right here? No. No. Let it go. Help him. Help him not to fall. Guys, if anything, this canal is a tributary of the Ganges River.
We are conducting experiments at the bottom of the Ganges River.
I want to calm you down, Anton. There is a safety rope at the bottom. If this thing breaks in half, it will save you.
I think the blow will be quite strong.
It will hurt.
You think?
A safety line also needs a safety line.
In short, this thing is supported by bearings. On two. Ideally, the subject's head is clamped here so that electricity is supplied here. In general, it would be like the real Middle Ages.
No, these are not head clamps. These are special belt clips. Special cables will be attached to them, with which you will be wrapped.
Look, they are discussing what they will do if we die. Bury here or burn.
I wanted to be a pianist. I didn't want to star in your experiments.
Pianist? Are you talking about yourself?
No, I'm talking about him. This is the last time I star in such videos. Did you get me? Gravity gun. What the hell is a gravity gun? What are you talking about?
Is this the last time we are filming such a dangerous video?
Yes, sure. Last time for today.
But it is not exactly. Did you see their ball? Holy moly, this is so hard. If it hits you, you will die.
What? But what is this game called?
I don't know, like cricket.
The smallest one will take it. People have dispersed, now let's experiment.
They were afraid of my face.
What is it for? This is a hoe. For what?
Let's look for crabs.
Sure.
You've already found it.
There are probably so many dead bodies here.
They laugh at the way you dig. You're digging wrong.
No, like this.
For what?
Turn it on.
दोस्तों आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं वो खतरनाक एक्सपेरिमेंट
It was an Indian introduction. They like to say things very loudly.
Are you interested to do this experiment?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
No. No. Then you...
We wanna leave.
ये तैयार हो चुका है और ये बिल्कुल अजीब है.
I just have one question. Did they even test this thing before us?
They will test it on us now. Imagine hitting your head like this.
It's so unreliable. What? On Anton? Right now? I knew it was for the head. Anton, say something.
My last word. I am hungry.
Everything is in order. Hygiene is maintained.
Is respected, with the help of those towels with which we dry ourselves.
Wait. That's my towel. Stop.
No way. Really?
Kalash, yes.
Look, show him.
Really, Kalash. This is to avoid getting hurt on the metal.
Yes, that's exactly what it's for. Car seat belts. We'll definitely need them here.
Are there airbags here? Yes. Take away my most valuable things.
Can you feel gravity?
Yes.
Jump up a little. Gravity goes away, right? No effect? So guys, the classic scheme. They fill the bags with soil to create a counterweight. Try jumping a little.
It works.
Works already?
Oh, yes.
Higher.
Where are you already? On the moon or on Mars?
Try running with this. There is already a moon effect.
This is very unusual. Just don't try it.
Why? That's better. With pillows. Everyone can do that. Also with a cable. I wonder what the maximum height will be reached on this.
Hacker OM now had a face like, why the hell did I come up with this? He understood me.
God, how could such a thing come into his head? I'm serious, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm standing here now, and I'm shocked by what's happening. OM tries his best to make videos. Look, he's not bad at all.
Look, he's stuck. It doesn't work anymore.
You okay, bro?
Yeah, okay.
Really?
Really? Norm? No normal.
The experiment didn't go according to plan, but now we will repair everything and continue. The experiment was not a success, but in order not to be too upset, we wanted to buy a local delicacy.
Did you come for insanity?
Guys, maybe we can take a little more.
Fine. Will you take it all?
Certainly. Because it's delicious.
Very.
And we also need moreism.
Why is the name so strange? Take a lot. I want a lot of insanity. I'm shocked that we collected so much of this rubbish.
Yeah, bhujia.
This is a body.
Great.
Okay?
Treat everyone.
But how will they divide it among themselves?
They're already doing a great job.
One for each? So guys, then the next day came. They fixed something and improved it. Let's see if this anti-gravity gun will take off or not.
Cream brulee.
Cream brulee.
Did you like the taste?
Did he try it?
Yes.
Cream brulee.
Sergey taught them your trick. Cream brulee.
What? Is there a BMW there? Can't be.
You see?
BMW, bro.
BMW car. Very much money.
Миллионер.
He said it's just for poor people.
Yes, problem. No BMW. I am no BMW.
वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा.
Like and subscribe to Hacker OM.
I thought he said smell your thumbs.
They want selfies again. Something is about to happen. Anton is starting. Do you see? Let's go.
Давай.
What was it? You did it? You did it?
It was loud.
Was it small?
I lit it and the match went out. But this slightly lit the wick, and the wick went out. I started to light something else, and the fuse just flared up on its own. I quickly gave it up. Did you feel this wave?
I felt.
You've seen.
Yes,
Такое началося.
that's something.
Kreosan cannot exist without firecrackers. This is our thing. We want to wake up the crab.
Is there a crab down there?
Certainly.
This is an illegal method of catching crabs. Guys, don't do this again.
Indian method.
Holy moly. Run. So, have you caught a crab?
It was very close.
Did you see how quickly it exploded?
Horror.
These things are very dangerous.
Holy moly.
So, did you catch a crab?
एकदम से चांद के जैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है यहाँ पर देख।
I don't know what they did, but it really made it smoother. Notice this.
He just went to the toilet in the morning successfully.
I think something is about to go wrong.
Horror. Underground.
Holy moly.
Look. Wait. Where is it? Wow. Wow. I didn't see where it went. Is it hot? Is it bent?
Not really. Why is it so strong?
What is this?
It is something.
How many meters did it fly?
Probably half a kilometer.
Wow.
The explosion was just terrific.
But the smell. It's like someone shitted here.
You are right. It's a toilet firecracker. I don't know why they took this cylinder with them here, but I have only one thought. I really want to blow this up. I'm serious. It's so big. The foam just overflows in it. You feel? But what's under the balloon? There's a bomb. Hey, you are the bad guys. So guys, now there will be an explosion. So,
You are ready?
yes. What was it? Anton, comment on this.